Hello and welcome to part one of the Content Villain tutorial series. Here I just want to go through some of the basic features of Content Villain and how you can move about the menu. So you'll see here I've just authenticated an account, I've entered an API key here which I've hidden just now, and you get the standard menu where you can generate content or you can buy credits. You can see that I have 67 credits already, so I can hit generate content. That's going to bring me to all of the categories for the different models that we have. So if I want to generate something to do with an idea, I'd click here. You can see that we've got marketing idea generator, business idea generator, or a growth idea generator. We've also got this menu in the top right here, which is great for getting around. You can get back to the main generate content menu. You can get to the add webhook menu. You can re-authenticate if you don't know if you're logged in or not. You can buy credits. You can use the email detective, which will provide email addresses for any website that you enter. You can ask us to create a bespoke model for you and your business, or you can send us feedback. So we go to generate content again. We can see the product description generators that we have. So we have an e-commerce one just for standard sort of Shopify stores, drop shipping, that sort of thing. Etsy descriptions, which are more fancy for handmade products and stuff with a bit of a local feeling. SaaS descriptions for businesses which are selling software, and food descriptions for food. And then if we come back to the generate content, we can go to social media and ads. This is quite a big one because we've got generators for YouTube where you can create video hooks, descriptions, titles for videos. LinkedIn generators where you can create LinkedIn text ads. We have a share an article to LinkedIn model as well, where you can enter an interesting article you've read and some insights, and it will provide you something nice so you can boost your reputation on LinkedIn. We've got Google generators for creating ads, titles, and descriptions, and all that good stuff. Facebook again, creating ads, and we also have Twitter content strategies for if you wanted to boost your company through Twitter, you can do giveaways, all that good stuff. And if you enter that, then it will provide you details of the strategies that you could do to help boost your brand through Twitter. So then we come to the sales copy. Sales copy, we have a bunch of different ones which are useful for your standard sort of sales process, understanding the features and the benefits of your product, why it could be good, the before after bridge. This all helps you to become better at selling your product, and it's all pretty standard. So those are there, very useful if you're in a sales role. Then we go to website copy. Here you can figure out blog ideas, get blog introductions, launch your product sort of content ideas, meta description, content ideas, small pieces of copy, outline a blog. So if you need help with structuring it, that can be done, and landing page text, all to do with sort of website and website copy. And then we come to email creation, where you can create full emails. So we have email subject line generator, confirmation email generator. You need to confirm something. A thank you email generator. You need to say thank you for something. Outbound sales email. If you're sending out cold emails, perfect to use with our email detective. Reply to email. If you need to reply to an email and don't have time to write it fully out, you can just enter a bit of text and the AI will do the rest. Special offer emails. If you are sending out coupons or different discounts to different customers, you could use that one. And meeting reminders, just to confirm a meeting is still going ahead at the time which is specified. You see that we've got quite an extensive list of products available on different models. So we go to customer service now. We've created models to apologize for an issue. We've created models for creating a churn and feedback email if someone has quit their subscription to your service. We've created emails if you need to escalate a complaint and how that would look like. and we've created an email for issuing a refund. So all of these can be run and all of them can be sent to webhooks to actually send out the emails completely, which is pretty damn cool. So then we get into the property real estate, where at the moment we have our vacation rental description generator, which is really cool. You can create descriptions for Airbnb, VRBO, and all other channels like that. It's very powerful, and I'm using it for my own business, so that's super cool. We have the personal brand reputation, which again goes into the Twitter strategy and the share article on LinkedIn that I mentioned before. And then we have our student generator to help with educational needs. If you need to outline an essay, that can be done. You need an introduction to an essay, that can be done. You need to know different words based on a word that you are using, such as walking, then that can be done. You can get an excuse for why you haven't done your homework as well. So these are all good fun. And finally, we get to job applicants, where you can create a cover letter. This is pretty good. It creates really good cover letters for you. So it's just another way for doing it. So those are all the AI generators that we have for generating content. And then finally, we have the email detective up here, which is slightly different, which will provide you email addresses from a specific website for the URL that you enter below. So that's super fun, super cool. And those are the possibilities and all of the stuff that you can generate with Content Villain. That is lesson 1 of our tutorial. Thank you.